Okay, everybody, we got the old axle off and the new axle underneath. There's the old bolts. You don't want to ever use those again. And pad for on top of the springs or below them, depending on what you're doing here. So on the front bolt, when you take that out, you can pound it out after you get the screw undone. You want to tighten them down good. But before you put it back in, it's good to grease that inner part of it where the spring is and lube it up good in there so it moves good and you don't hear no squeak. Another thing is on the front where the other part of the spring is. It's good to grease that up too, so it slides better and doesn't create friction, and that can cause bad welds too. It can cause things to it's metal to metal. So just so you know that. And then what you want to do is, once you have your axle underneath, before you put it up, you want to measure with a micrometer from here to here on your plates, and your screws are right there to where you can adjust them, and make sure it's like this on both sides. You want this middle piece of the plate to definitely touch, but you don't want it wiggling up and down all around. You want to get it as close as you can with this still being able to crimp that axle. And after that, once you get those measured out on both sides, then you can put one side down, whatever, or keep it like that. Take your micrometer off, and then you're going to want to line it up with your bolts underneath your leaf spring. And then you put your plate on top, and you put your plate on top. It only goes one way, because then you couldn't get your then it wouldn't hold your U-bolts right. Okay, so you're going to want to go up through after you go around the axle on both sides. You want to go around both sides. You want to line it up with your leaf spring, and then you want to put it up through there and put your nuts on. Okay, and that's how you want to do that. And we'll make another video later, but make sure you grease up those nuts when you take out that front bolt. Grease it up in the middle here, just in the middle. You don't want to put it all over the bolt and on the threads. You just want to grease it up in that middle on the bolt, and greased up on the front so it slides better and it doesn't create friction and eat the metal away. I'll be making another video. Please follow, like, and share.